Welcome to the HUC. I'm Isabella.
And I'm Joanna, and here are this week's announcements.
Do you know we are starting a brand new series called My Really Bad Date?
That's right, so do be encouraged to invite and bring your friends to the H and let them experience God in a brand new way.
Are you in HUC Connect Group? Contact Dorothy Tan at 9155-4075 for the Arts Faculty and Elizabeth Tito at 8190-585 for Science Faculties. The annual H Barbecue is here again! Yay! It's on the 21st of February at 4:30 p.m. and it's at Sembawang Building.
It's only $6 per person, so bring a friend and we promise you a great time and great food over there. So see you there!
That's the end of this week's announcements.
Remember to switch your phones to silent mode.
Bye!
The mighty king of love.